Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Chris, and today we have a new product to show you. I didn't let him talk. So the first one is we have this new shirt. It is like a college print tee. I wanted something that looked classic, looked good, and I felt like that was it. And it's in gray with the white outline on a black shirt. Next up, we have a key tag. So this is a new one. This is the old one over here. So this new one, it says Nadra Off-Road. You flip it around and it has a Jeep WJ grill. So this one's for all you WJ guys. I think you'll like this one. And the last thing are these lights here. This kit is gonna include 6 of these bulbs, and that'll cover the AC and defrost button, as well as the map light console. So let me go ahead and show you what that is. So the part that I'm talking about is up here. So at night when you turn on the car, turn on the lights, that is all the way. So as you can see, these lights don't turn on and only these do, and they are a green color, and it doesn't match his dash, which is red. So we're gonna go ahead and replace those, and also it'll replace the buttons here and here. Unfortunately, the kit doesn't include the lights for the seat warmers. They're not the same type of bulb, but at least it'll cover this so everything here matches, and up here as well. So first things first, to remove this, you have to remove the screw back here, which is easy to do. It's a Phillips, so we'll go ahead and remove it. So the next step, once you get that loose, is to pull the sides, and it'll just pop right out. Make sure not to break it. And from here, you can either unplug it or just work from here. To remove these is pretty easy. Just take a flat screwdriver, stick it in there and twist it to the left, and that'll open up. You really need a small screwdriver. This is all we have, so we're working with what we got. Use this to pick it up. Oh, never mind, you got it.
Oh, look at that. First try.
First try?
First try. Wait, it's because we're wearing college shirts.
These are a little bit hard to take out. You kind of have to play with it a little. You gotta shake it more than twice.
Yeah, you gotta shake it more than twice.
And then it'll come out.
Come on.
You don't want to. There it is. So now the best way to do this is to actually turn on the car and put in the bulb, because they are polarity sensitive. Chris throws everything in his lawn. When he goes over it with the lawnmower, everything shoots out. So we're gonna go ahead and put the light in and turn the car on. We should have the car on actually now. So turn on the car before you put the lights in, all the way.
All the way.
And the lights on?
You guys like my red lights?
Okay. And then we'll go ahead and put the light in. Oh, there we go. That one turned on. Let's see what it looks like. Well, it's too light. Still too much light outside, but you can see the red now. Sick. Let's go ahead and keep doing the rest. And one thing you do gotta remember is you can see in there how it shows like blue color. That's because these have a film, so the color varies a little bit on this side, but as you can tell, it's actually red over here. Actually, something we just noticed is on Chris's panel here, he doesn't have the white buttons like I do, so it doesn't show any light. So that's why it doesn't have any middle ones. So this one we put in backwards, so Chris is just gonna take it out and put it in the right way. And don't drop them in between the seats. Oh, that's right. So now we got it in, so you can see it's all red. So we'll see at night how it looks like. It's pretty easy to put back into. Next, we're gonna change out the lights and these buttons here. So we do have to, on this Jeep, remove the radio. It all comes out with this panel. Oh, it broke.
Oh. Don't.
Come on, man.
Don't look at
It's from all that jumping you be doing. So you want to remove the screws over here, and actually you want to take off the bottom piece too, because there's screws under there as well. All right, so now that we got the screws out, you can pull it out. The black ones down there are the bulbs, so we're gonna replace those too. And these go on the same way, so you twist it and then you just pull them out. There we go. So we got that one out. Wow, this actually made it super easy to remove. I struggled with mine. All right, so there you can see it's all red now. That's red, that's red. All this is red. This kind of looks purple because of the red and blue mix. Dash is red, and the lights up here are red as well. So everything is matching now. So that's what the kit's gonna include. These buttons and those buttons. It's a Jeep thing, you wouldn't know. I mean, you would know now. Yeah, so now everything is matching. That is the kit, easy to install. And if you have the rest of the kits, then everything goes well together. You get some bright lights, and that's Nadra Off-Road for you. How is he gonna have a Jeep without Nadra Off-Road lights? So we're gonna install the LED light kit and also the dash light kit. That way everything's lit up in there and it looks more modern, more new. He also already has the key. First thing we're gonna do is remove the dash so that we can do the dash kit here in the garage since it's shaded. And then we'll do the interior light kit once it's a little bit more, not as hot. So you guys already know there's 2 screws up top that hold the dash in, and then you have to kind of like pick it out of there. But pretty simple to do, pretty easy. And don't forget, you have to take off the top piece here. There's some screws underneath there. And you got the other 2 screws down there. Alright, so now that he's taking that off, we have to disconnect it on the back. So Chris decided to go with the red. So in the kit, you actually get some bulbs that look orange, which are the red lights, and then the yellow ones are the white lights. To get the proper lighting, so the warning lights around here, like the gas light, the check engine, and all that, that's where you're gonna put the yellow looking ones, the one that turn white. And then the colored bulbs you're gonna put in place up here, all around. So let's go ahead and do that. And also on my website, if you search up the gauge cluster kit, I have this picture here, and you click on it and you can zoom in, and it tells you exactly what bulb is negative or positive. So if you need help, it'll be right here. So what you want to do is take off the bulbs, the old ones, and then when you look at the picture, I have either a positive or negative sign. So you want that positive or negative sign to be up. And on the bulbs, you can see this side's positive, and then that side's negative. So this side we want the positive up. So it doesn't matter what way you put it in. Now look for, let's say this side's the positive is on this side, and then when we twist it, it'll be on the top side. And there we go. So now we have to do the rest of the lights, and yep, that's pretty much it. All right, so we have all the lights in. So we put white all around the edge, and then we put the reds in here, and then these three down here are also white. So let's go see what it looks like. And the kit also comes with the extra bulbs for the AC controls as well. Okay, so it's too bright outside to show you the lights, but they are working. We'll show you once it gets dark. So the next thing we will do is focus on changing out the interior lights. At night, we literally cannot see anything in here, so we are going to change them out. So Chris, you can put that back together. Now these are simple to do. Make sure you turn off the lights, that way they're not hot. Next step for these, there's some little clips right there, so do that so you can take off the whole piece here and then remove them. All right, so now we can actually take them out, both sides, and remove the bulbs. And make sure to test them out before you put it all back together. The buttons should still work. All right, we got those in, so time to move to the back seat. Damn it.
You broke it?
Yeah. All right, so stupid design by Mopar, but the switch from the light actually fell off. So it doesn't have a nut on this side, and it got pushed out when I was trying to take off the cover, and then it opened up. So we ended up plastic welding it together, and it seems like it's working fine now. So we're gonna go ahead and put them back in. And Chris is doing that on this side. Both sides were broken, so just so you guys know. All right, Chris stripped that side, but it's okay.
God.
When you put the little cover back on, you want to put that little side into that slot first, and then just clip it in, push it in. Now turn it on. For some reason they're strobing, but I think once we put the resistor, it'll be fine. On this back one, you might need to squish those little metal tabs together.
You said might.
A little bit. Is it loose in there? Yeah, it is.
Too much.
Okay. I ran out of resistors, but we'll put one in later. Usually this is where I put it in the back of the trunk, but I put the little piece, this piece, down towards the bottom. The switch is over here. Alright, so there it is. All the lights are on, and I'll show you guys once it gets darker. That way you guys can actually see the difference in the light. Also, if you guys want LED license plate bulbs, I will have them listed on the website. So if you need some, go ahead and check them out. And these are easy to replace. You just take off this piece here and then twist it off, and there's the T10 bulb right there. So it's about 7 p.m. right now, and I'll show you guys later when it's dark too. I wanted to show you guys the difference between the LED and the halogen. So that would be the halogen. This would be the LED. See how it's like white light? The Jeep itself, it's actually bright in here. We can actually see now. Before we couldn't see anything. Is it brighter than before?
No.
Yes, it is. Chill out. Yeah, even back here, everything's so much brighter. You can actually see. And we got the red gauges on here too. Let's go. All right, so we changed out the bulbs for LEDs, and this is how bright it is. This is pretty much pitch black, as you can tell. Chris got his windows tinted, and they made the front ones darker than the rear. Pretty funny, but once you open it, I mean, you can see how much brighter it is. It's way brighter than stock for sure. And he has an Nodger off-road key too. He has everything that I have. All the shirts and stickers. We have red, blue, white, yellow, and green, if you guys are interested in any of those colors. And it'll cover the lights for here too. We haven't changed those out yet, but I have another kit coming out that'll cover these two buttons and the buttons up here. Chris needs them because he has some that are out. So we'll be doing that soon. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.